In this video, we will learn how to fix frozen screen while playing Fortnite. If you're having screen freezing issues in Fortnite and you need to fix it, all you need to do is open up your Fortnite game and head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. After that, go to the settings menu by clicking on the gear button. Now in the videos tab, you need to tweak a few settings in order for you to get the freezing issue removed from your Fortnite game. So firstly, in the windowed mode, it is optimal to change it to windowed full screen, which lets you alt tab out and minimizes any freezing issues. Now for resolution, as you'll be using windowed full screen, you'll just be able to use your native resolution and nothing else. After that, in the VSync tab, make sure to turn it off. The frame rate limit should be whatever you are comfortable with. If you have a 60Hz monitor, it should be on 60 FPS, and if it is more than that, it should be changed to accordingly. But keeping it at ultimate is also optional, so you can do it as well. The rendering mode should be your preference. If you are using an older graphics card, then the DirectX 11 can be a better choice, and if you have a latest graphics card with you, DirectX 12 can be a better choice as well. But performance mode is also an optimal choice if you want the highest performance without any issues in your game. After that, scroll down until you find the graphics option quality and make sure to click the auto set button, so Fortnite will set the best possible settings for your PC and you can enjoy the highest quality and performance mix with these settings. So even after changing all these settings, your game is still lagging and freezing. All you can do is just change the affinity of your Fortnite game before every turn. So before getting into the game, all you need to do is open up Task Manager, maximize it and go to the Details tab. Now from here you need to find a Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe, which is using the highest amount of RAM, so just right click on it. Now click on set priority, then click on high. Now click on change priority. After you have changed these settings, Fortnite freezing issue should be solved from your PC and you can enjoy the game without any errors. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.